ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 508. पूर्व पक्ष we concluded. Purva Paksha said Upanishad is not Pramanam because it has Karma Kanda Virodha and also it has Swartha Vighata. Two hetus were given. In the last line that we saw in Tika, you see third line, Adhyayana Vidhi Upadapitanam. That Adhyayana Vidhi Upadapitanam, its Anvaya will happen. Yesterday I said, with what? Vedana. Vedas where Adhyayana Vidhi is given. Kutastasam Apramanyam or Upanishadam, you can say, not Vedana, Upanishadam. Because Tasam is given, Strilinga. Adhyayana Vidhi Upadapitanam. So Upanishads which are learned from Adhyayana Vidhi also. Adhyayana Vidhi, what is the Adhyayana Vidhi Vakya? Swadhyayo Adhyatavya. So there, Upanishad Jnanam takes place and therefore its Apramanyam Shanka cannot be done. So then Purvapakshi says, okay, Anyarthata is there. It is for Japartha. It is for some other Artha. Now, Tika Siddhantayati Bhashya Na Uktottaratvat. This Uttara we have given. Ukta Uttara. What is that? He clarifies in Tika. Tadeva Sputaitum Samanya Nyayam Aha. There is some Samanya Nyaya. What is that? In Bhashya see. Pramanasya hi pramanatvam apramanatvam va pramotpadana anutpadanam anutpadana nimittam. Pramanasya pramanatvam prama utpadana nimittam. Pramanasya apramanatvam prama anutpadana nimittam. In this way, you have to split that sentence into two. Praman will have pramanatvam when there is prama utpadanam. And praman will be apramanam where there is no prama being produced. In Tika, Swarthe pramotpadakatva abhave api. Swarthe prama utpadakatva abhave is there. Prama utpadakatva abhave api pramanyam ichhantam prati aha. Swarthe means swaprameya. स्वप्रमेये प्रमा उत्पादकत्व, if it is not there, abhave api pramanyam ichhantam prati, somebody says, so there is something called swarthe prama utpadakatvam, and second is pararthe prama utpadakatvam. Vedanta accepts swarthe pramanyam, prama utpadakatvam. But Nyaya, Bauddha, they have pararthe pramanya utpadakatvam. So a thing is pramanam will be proved by something else in their darshan. That thing, that samagri which will produce prama, same samagri will produce pramatvam according to Vedanta. According to Nyaya, according to Bauddha, samagri which produces prama will be different. Samagri which produces pramatvam is different. In Vedanta Paribhasha, this will come in detail. Swata pramanyam, parata pramanyam. That is the vichara. In Bhashya, अन्यथा चेत स्तंभादीनां प्रामाण्य प्रसंगात शब्दादौ प्रमेये, अन्यथा चेत स्तंभादीनां प्रामाण्य प्रसंगात. If this we don't accept this niyama, then stambhadinam pramanya prasanga, stambha will become pramana. Shabdadau prameye. So in Shabdadi, stambha etc. will also become pramana. In Shabdadi, Shabdadau prameye, stambhadinam pramanya prasanga. What does that mean? Siddhanti wants to say a pramana will be known only when it is verified. So, for example, if I say Rajjuriyam and it is Sarpa, so that Vakya or that Jnanam that comes from Chakshurindriya, it will not be Pramanam. Why? Because it was not capable of producing Prama. Prama Utpadanam is not there. Otherwise, Stambhadinam Pramanya Prasanga. Stambhadi will become Pramana. So what does that mean? He says, Purabakshi, Kinchataha, Sitika, Yathokta Prayojaka Prayuktam Pramanyam Apramanyam Va, iti etasmin pakshe kim phalati, iti prachati. You have given this Prayojaka that if Prama Utpadanam is there, then it is Pramana. Pramanatvam. Prama Anutpadanam Apramana. So what is the result of this? Kinchataha तत्र किम उपनिषदः स्वार्थं बोधयन्ति न वा इति विकल्प्य आद्यम अनुद्य दूषयति. So is Upanishad talking about Swartham, means Swaprameya Pramam Janayanti Nava. What is the Prameya of Upanishad? Jiva Brahma Aikya. Jiva Brahma Aikya is the Prameya. Does Upanishad only Brahma is not Prameya? Because only Tatpada, if it is revealed, but Aikya with me is not given, I am Brahma, that I will not know. Some Brahma is there. Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, etc. etc. So Upanishad Swartham Bodhayanti Nava, in this Vikalpa is done, and Adyam Anudya Dushayati. Yadi Tavad Upanishado ब्रह्मैकत्व प्रतिपत्ति प्रमां कुर्वन्ति कथम अप्रमाणं भवेयुः. If Upanishad ब्रह्मैकत्व, see प्रमेय is ब्रह्मैकत्वम, यदि तावद् उपनिषदः ब्रह्मैकत्व प्रतिपत्ति प्रमां कुर्वन्ति, उपनिषदः बहुवचन, then katham apramanam bhaveyuhu, then how Upanishad will become apramanam. So Siddhanti said Upanishad is pramana. Purva Pakshi said Upanishad is not pramana. Siddhanti said if Upanishad is capable of producing Brahmatmaikatva Pratipatti Prama, then how it is apramana? Dvitiyam Utthapya Nirakaroti. So Dvitiya Vikalpa is apramanam. Na kurvanti eva iti chet. Purva Pakshi will say they are not producing Prama. How? Yatha agnihi shitam iti. Means to a sansari, you repeatedly say you are asansari, asansari. Somebody who has karta bhokta bhava, to that person if it is said, you are karta, akarta, you are abhokta. Somebody who has parichhinnatva buddhi, you are told, you are aparichinna, aparichinna. Desha kala vastu paricheda shunya. He says this prama is not taking place. Na kurvanti eva iti chet. How? Drishtanta is given, agnihi shitam. Agnihi shitam, this is not conducive for prama. Iti sa bhavan evam vadan. If Purva Paksha says agnihi shitam like that, Upanishad is teaching, therefore it is aprama. Vadan vaktavya Upanishad pramanya pratishedhartham bhavato vakyam. Upanishad pramanya pratishedham ki na karoti eva agnirva rupa prakasham atha karoti. See now, Purva Pakshi said Upanishad Brahmatmaikyam Prama na karoti. Like Agnihi Shitam itivat. So Siddhanti says, you are doing pratishedha of Upanishad creating Prama. So Upanishad Pramanya Pratishedha is done by your Vakya. Right? Purva Pakshi's Vakya is doing Nishedha of Upanishad Pramanya. Is it your Vakya is Pramana Vakya or Apramana Vakya? Siddhanti is actually teasing. Huh? There is no other hidden agenda here. Bhavato Vakyam Upanishad Pramanya Pratishedam ki na karoti atha karoti. Your Vakya, is it doing Upanishad Pramanya Pratisheda or not? Like he gives example, Agnirva Rupa Prakasham karoti na karoti. Purva Pakshi says Agni Shitam. Siddhanti says Agni Rupa Prakasham karoti na karoti. Karoti. So Purva Pakshi will say yes, my Vakya is Pramanam. Siddhanti says then Upanishad Vakya is also Pramana. Tika. अग्निर यथा शीतम न करोति तथा उपनिषदोपि ब्रह्मैकत्वे प्रमाम न कुर्वन्ति. This is what Purva Pakshi said. Just as Agni शीतम न करोति, Agni doesn't give coolness. Like that, Upanishad does not produce ब्रह्मात्मैकत्व प्रमाण. प्रमाम न कुर्वन्ति इति वदन् वदन्तं प्रति प्रतिबंधी ग्रहो न युक्तो. Pratibandhi graha is this. 8 number tippani you see first. Pratibandhi hi tulya yuktya doshod-bhavanam tasya graha udbhavaniyattvena svikar. Pratibandhi hi tulya yuktya. So if Purvapakshi said Upanishad is not pramana, Siddhanti asked your Vakya is pramanam or not. This is called pratibandhi. Pratibandhi Vakya means the same akshepa. That's why it is given. See, Tippani said Tulya Yukti. Whatever Yukti that Purvapakshi used for Siddhanti, Siddhanti is using the same for the Purvapakshi. Like in Panchadashi first chapter, it is said, your Brahma is Savikalpa or Nirvikalpa. So Purvapakshi Siddhanti says, your this Akshepa is Savikalpa or Nirvikalpa. Like that. That is called Pratibandhi Uttar. Means Purvapakshi should understand no need of going further in this direction. Tulya Yuktya Doshod Bhavanam. Whatever dosha you are showing in me, I will show in you. Tasya graha udbhavaniyattvena svikara. Purvapaksha says, this is not yukta. Why? Anubhav virodha. This is the anubhav virodha. What I gave you the drishtanta, parichennatvam, samsaritvam, kartritva, bhoktritvam. This is viruddha against what is taught. Therefore, I feel it is not right. Yadi in Bhashya. Yadi karoti. Karoti means Agnihi Rupa Prakasham. Karoti means Agnihi Yadi Rupa Prakasham Karoti. Bhavatu tada pratishedhartham pramanam. Bhavad Vakyam Agnisya Rupa Prakashako Bhavet. Or karoti means you can take this. Upanishad pramanya pratishedham karoti. Tada pratishedhartham pramanam bhavad vakyam agnisya rupa prakashako bhavet. Your vakya is doing pratishedha of Upanishad, being pramanam. प्रतिषेध वाक्य प्रामाण्ये भवति एव उपनिषदां प्रामाण्यम्. अत्र टीका सी तर्हि स्वार्थे प्रमिति जनकत्वात् मद्वाक्यस्य प्रामाण्यं स्यात्. स्वार्थे प्रमिति जनकत्वात् Mad Vakyasya Pramanyam. Purvapaksha says, my Vakya is Pramanyam because it is producing Prama. How? Which Vakya? Agnihi Rupa Prakashako Bhavati. Agni is Rupa Prakashaka. In that, my Vakya is Pramanam. Then Siddhanti will say, Upanishadam api Pramanyam. If your Vakya is Pramanam, प्रतिषेध वाक्य प्रामाण्ये भवति एव उपनिषदां प्रामाण्यम्. ठीक है. उपनिषद अप्रामाण्ये भवद वाक्य अप्रामाण्यम. This is the essence now, final. If Upanishad is apramana, your Vakya is also apramana. Tat pramanye tu Upanishad pramanyam durvaram. If you say Upanishad is apramana, your Vakya is also apramana. If you accept your Vakya is pramana, Upanishad is also pramana. Upanishad pramanyam durvaram. Iti samya prapte vyavasthapakah samadhir vaktavya. Iti अग्नि में रूप प्रकाश. अभी आएगा. पूर्व पक्षी विल आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन. ये क्या इसमें लॉजिक क्या है कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूं, इफ आई एम सेइंग इज प्रमाणम, देन व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज आल्सो प्रमाणम. उक्तमेव अर्थम चोद्य समाधिभ्याम विशदयति. चोद्य मीन्स आक्षेप और प्रश्न, समाधि मीन्स समाधान. सी इन भाष्य ननु अत्र प्रत्यक्ष प्रत्यक्षा मद्वाक्य उपनिषद प्रामाण्य प्रतिषेधार्थ प्रतिपत्ति ही अग्नौ च रूप प्रकाशन प्रतिपत्ति ही प्रमाण. He says, in my Vakya, it is Pratyaksha. Agni has Rupa Prakashanam. This is so Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha Mad Vakya Upanishad Pramanya Pratishedhartha Pratipattihi. And that what is said by Upanishad, its Pramanya Pratisheda is happening in that also my Vakya is Pratyaksha. Easily you can see that what is said by Upanishad is not our Pratyaksha Anubhava. And Agnaucha Rupa Prakashan Pratipattihi, that is also Pratyaksha. टीका प्रतिषेधम अंगीकृत्य नॉट अंगीकृत्य, प्रतिषेधम अंगीकृत्य. आपके पुस्तक में क्या है? अंगी और अंकी इन टीका लास्ट लाइन. अंगी आप क्या? अंगीकृत्य उक्ता यथोक्ता उपनिषद उपलम्भे सति तस्य निरवकाशत्वात् प्रद्वेष अनुपपत्तिः इत्या. प्रतिषेधम of the pramanyam, if it is accepted, angikritya ukta yathokta Upanishad upalambhe sati. Upanishad which has the ability to produce prama in its vishaya. Swapramaye pramam kurvat Upanishad. In its vishaya, it is able to produce prama. Upalambe sati tasya niravakashatvat pradvesha anupapattihi. Pramana is niravakasha means elsewhere there is nothing. Upanishad doesn't have some pratipadanam which if you say it is not working in Brahmatmaikya, you let it work somewhere else. Upanishad doesn't have that. It is niravakasha. And therefore this kind of pradvesha is anupapanna. Siddhanti is telling. Kastarhi bhavatah pradvesho brahmatmaikatva pratyaya pramam pratyaksham kurvatishu upanishadsu upalabhyamanasu. Siddhanti is telling this to Purvapakshi. If Agni Rupa Prakasham Karoti, in this you say it is Pratyaksha Brahma, why you have so much dvesha for Upanishad producing Brahmatmaikatva Prama, which is also Pratyaksha? Pratyaksham, see, Brahmaikatva Pratyaya Pramam in Bhashya. Brahmaikatva Pratyaya Pramam Pratyaksham Kurvatishu Upanishadsu. So Upanishad which is producing Pratyaksha Prama of Brahmaikatmatva. Brahmatmaikatvam Upalabhyamanasu. It is Upalabdha. Why you have Dvesha? Means why you are against this Pramanyam. So now, टीका उपनिषद उत्थाया धियो वैफल्यात् तासाम अमानता इति आशंका. उपनिषद उत्थाया धियो वैफल्यात्. The buddhi that arises through Upanishad, it is not fruitful. Means it is not happening in my case. Purvapakshi is saying. यदि आशंका है भाष्यकार से शोक मोहादि निवृत्तिश्च प्रत्यक्षम फलम. शोक मोहादि निवृत्ति इज द प्रत्यक्षम फलम ऑफ ब्रह्म ज्ञानम ब्रह्मैकत्व प्रतिपत्ति पारंपर्य जनितम इति अवोचाम. दिस प्रत्यक्ष फलम मीन्स दिस इज अपरोक्ष ज्ञानम. टिप्पणी नंबर 1. यथा अग्निदाहात् प्रत्यक्षम स्फोटाख्यम फलम. If you get agnidaha, then what happens? Spota is there. Right? What do they call? Spota means you understand. Poda in Hindi. Blister. Spotakhyam phalam. तथा च मंत्र औषधादि प्रयुक्त्या विषादि निरासो. मंत्र औषध if you do, that दुख will go away. यथा च उदकपानात् अजीर्णे तद्वस्तिः अध्यक्षा. उदकपानात् अजीर्णे तद्वस्तिः. अजीर्ण means if indigestion etc is there, you drink enough water. Udakapanat ajirne tadvasti. Adhyaksha means pratyaksha. It is pratyaksha. Like that he says shoka moha nivritti is pratyaksha phalam of brahmaikatva pratipatti. Paramparya janitam means what? Sitika. Ekatva pratipatti hi tavad apatena jayate. Brahmatmaikatvam आपातेन. टिप्पणी 7, 8, 9, 10 all you have to see. 6 onwards. 6 says पारोक्ष्य आत्मना अप्रामाण्य ज्ञानास्कंदिता इति. आपातेन, आपात ज्ञान मीन्स परोक्ष ज्ञान. आपातेन स्कंदिता. देन साच विचारम प्रयुज्य मननादि द्वारा दृढ़ी भवति. First the jnanam will be paroksha. That is the paksha taken here. Then you do vichara. Vicharam means 7 number shravanakyam. You do more shravanam. Shravanam means not being in class. Shravanam means Tatparya lingas are there in my mind and I am, when I do Shravanam, if I have enough sadhan chatushtaya, I am doing vichara right there. Otherwise, I again listen to it and I do proper analysis of what I have heard. This is called vicharam. This is what is called jignasa. And athato brahma jignasa. Jignasa means vichara. Vichara means shravanakhya vichara. This I have to do. When that happens, vicharam prayujya mananadi dwara dridhi bhavati. Dridhi bhavati ka? My question is
Brahmatma ekatva.
My question is Dridhi Bhavati Ka. You have to give answer in Strilinga.
Brahma.
Don't say Jnanam, don't say
Brahma.
Brahmatma Ekatva Bodha, Prama. Prama or Pratipatti Shabda is there and you have to go by the Pankti. So Ekatva Pratipatti hi is the Shabda given earlier. Your answer should be Ekatva Pratipatti. This is called Shravanam. Every word should be according to how it is given there and I understand. When the question is asked, I respond accordingly. सा पुनरशेषम शोकादिकम अपनयति. सा प्रतिपत्ति दृढ़ी भवति. What is the sutra? Online students,
Swaucha.
Swaucha. This is the Mukhya Sutra. Shvi Pratyak Sutra is the other one. Sa punaha ashesham shokadikam apanayati. This dridha jnanam. This is called dridha aparoksha. So first there is paroksha jnana. See how we should understand. Actually, what is paroksha jnanam? What is the shloka in Panchadashi? Swamiji, aapke ho gaye. Panchadashi 6th chapter there is a shloka. What is paroksha jnana?
अस्ति ब्रह्मेति
Asti brahmeti ched veda
अपरोक्ष्य इति
paroksha jnanam eva tat. Asti brahmeti ched veda paroksha jnanam. Brahma is, this is called paroksha jnana. Like Nadyas tire pancha phalani santi. Oh, I heard it. There are so asti phalani or santi phalani. I understood. This is paroksha jnana. This is actually step 1. But I do not know exactly what is the nature of that Brahma, let us say. Then I have to do more Shravana. And I should understand all the lakshanas which are given for Brahma. The whole idea of studying more Upanishads is to get the lakshana. Because second sutra is Janmadyasya yataha. So lakshana pramana bhyam vastu siddhi. Lakshanas you have to know. So this is lakshana. Swarupa lakshana or tatastha lakshana I have to gather. So then Brahma is Jagat Karanam. Brahma is Nirvikara. Let's say you heard these two lakshanas. Brahma is Nirvikara also and Brahma is Jagat Karanam also. Now I have to think how something can be Nirvikara also and Jagat Karanam also. So this when I start doing, then I will have question. I will have objection that only one of them is true. Even though both are given in Upanishad. Nirvikara Shruti is Najayate Mriyate Va Vipaschin Nayang Kutaschin Na Babhuva Kaschin. And Jagat Karana is Yato Va Imani Bhutani Jayante. So then when I start doing Vichara, this is what will result in clear understanding of what is that actual lakshana of Brahma, what are the implied or sopadhika Brahma lakshanas, etc., etc. This I will understand. Still it is paroksha only, but there is lot of clarity now about what is Brahma. Then when I hear Mahavakya, that Brahma you are. So then I will have more objections because I am karta, bhokta, etc., etc. What is Upanishad saying? Who is Brahma? So when Upanishad says you are Brahma, Upanishad says you means don't include Panchakosha. And Shishya goes on thinking, oh, I with Panchakosha am Jagat Karanam. I with Panchakosha am Nirvikara. Then Samanjasya will never happen. Upanishad says you are Akarta. And Vidyarthi said, okay, I am Karta. Because the Shishya does not know, I should discard Panchakoshas and understand the Vakya. Because the Buddhi is so trained to think only, I am with Panchakosha. So Mahavakya Upadesh is not happening. That's why What Siddhanti says, Mahavakya is pramanam. As soon as you understand, Shoka Mohadi Nivritti will happen. Shoka Mohadi Nivritti has happened. Let us say after that I have Shoka or Moha. So then when I say I have Shoka, where is Shoka? In Panchakosha. Upanishad never said Shoka Mohadi Nivritti will happen from your Antakaran. Upanishad said Atma doesn't have Shoka Moha. So if I understand Atma is free from all this, then like what is the Lakshana given in Chandogya? Atma is Vijigatso, Apipasaha, and there Ajaraha, Amaraha, ityadi, or whatever Lakshanas are given, they are for Atma. If I include Sharira and I say, but I am getting old now. So Ajara is not for Deha Yukta Chidabhasa. Ajara is only for Atma. Amara is only for Atma. Na Jayate Mriyate is for Atma, Chaitanya. If I go on including Panchakosha every time, I will always have objection. This is not happening. There is no Pratyaksha Phalam. This Upanishad, I will become Purvapaksha. I should understand how the Acharya is teaching. So when Bhashyakar says Shoka Mohadi Nivritti is Pratyaksha Phalam, it should happen. This is the phalam of thorough Shravanam. Nothing else will produce this prama. If you have done thorough Shravanam, this prama will happen. This prama can happen only through this. Otherwise, I will go on doing something. You see the tika, it's very clear. Vicharam prayujya mananadi dwara dhridi bhavati. Sa shokadikam apanayati. Bas. Iti paramparya janitam phalam iti drashtavya. So parampara means what is the parampara? Not that there is some guru shishya parampara through that. Parampara is in my progression. Earlier I am sitting where I only think Jagat is Satyam and I am Panchakoshavan. And then gradually I do more Shravanam, and it is hammered in my head that when you are doing Vedanta Shravanam, you Shabda Tvam means not Panchakoshavan. During Shravanam, remove the Panchakoshas along with your chappals and then do Shravanam, you will understand. So this will become my Mukhya Aham. And that Karta Bhokta Gachhami Tishtami Langayami, that is Gauna Aham. It is only for Vyavahara I have to use. Then there is no problem. Jnani will have no problem anywhere. Ajnani will have problem anywhere. इति द्रष्टव्यम. स्वार्थे प्रमाजनकत्वाद उपनिषदाम प्रामाण्यम उक्तम उपसम. And Upanishad is स्वार्थे प्रमाजनक. So it produces prama without any other support also. तस्माद् उक्तोत्तरत्वाद् उपनिषदं प्रति अप्रामाण्य शंका तावन् नास्ति. Therefore, because we have already given the explanation, towards the Upanishad, apramanya shanka is not there. प्रामाण्य हेतु सद्भावाद उपनिषदाम प्रामाण्यम प्रतिपाद्य तद अप्रामाण्यम परोक्तम अनुवदति. प्रामाण्य हेतु सद्भावाद, प्रामाण्य हेतु is already there, therefore Upanishad has pramanya, that is explained. Tad apramanyam paroktam anuvadati. That means Upanishad tasam Upanishadam apramanyam, which paroktam, what Purvapakshi had said, anuvadati. Siddhanti is repeating. Yacha uktam swartha vigata karatvad apramanyam iti. This is what you said, that Upanishad is Swartha Vigatam Karam. It does Vigat of its own. Why? Because Upanishad says Neha Nanasti Kinchana. And there is Nana in Shishya. Or Upanishad says there is no Srishti. Ajatavada Pratipadana. And Upanishad itself says Akashad Vayu Vayor Agni Ityadi Ityadi. This is Swartha Vigatam. Tadapina. कथं हि तासां स्वार्थ विघातकत्वं किं ताभ्यो ब्रह्मैकम् एव अद्वितीयं नैव चेति प्रतिपत्तिः उत्पद्यते किं वा काश्चित् ब्रह्मैकत्व प्रतिपत्तिम् अन्याश्च उपनिषदस् तत्प्रतिषेधं कुर्वन्ति इति विकल्प्य आद्यं दूषयति. Siddhant is asking Purvapakshi, the Swartha Vigatakatvam that you said, Katham hi tasam Upanishadam Swartha Vigatakatvam. How there is Swartha Vigatakatvam? Kim tabhyo brahmaikam eva advitiyam naiva cha iti pratipattihi utpadyate kim va kaschit brahmaikatva pratipattim. The pratipatti is not happening at all, or for some brahmaikatva pratipatti. Anyasya Upanishadas tat pratishedam. Some Upanishad produces brahmatmaikatva and some doing pratishedam kurvanti iti vikalpya adyam dushayati. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.